Hey guys, it is Wild Animal Playz here, and I'm on a game with my sister.
Where are you?
Funny enough, called Wild Animals Online.
Where are you? Ah!
I just died.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, there's a massive zombie rhino. Oh, it's kicked me out the game. Alright, I'll try joining a new page. What, you're running from the rhino? Well, we're just waiting to see if it checks where
Can
page
you go on a
is.
different one, please? I don't like this one.
Go on whatever map you want.
Did it kick you off?
Yeah, it kicked me off, yeah.
Okay, we'll be going to Savannah. Hey!
You died, did you?
Skylar.
That laugh though.
Savannah we want to go to. Havana banana.
Why don't you actually go to Havana instead of Savannah?
It's called Havana now. It's actually called Savannah, but I want to call it Havana. Oh my god, my child's on top of me! Ah!
Oh, if you didn't know, my sister's Wolfie the Wolf. She's a animator.
Don't subscribe to me, please.
Yeah, subscribe to her. That's if anyone's even watching, because this is my first video.
Piss off!
Oi, family friendly video page.
I'm sorry. Help me!
I don't have any editing things, so I can't even edit that out.
Then download an editor.
I can't be bothered to. What are you in again?
Savannah banana.
Alright. I don't know whether it's checked that yet. It's checking all the lands. Yep, it's already checked it and it doesn't say. Maybe you just have to wait till it ends and then it'll tell you where I am.
What is this thing I'm standing?
No, apparently I can't connect you. So you're in Savannah. Are you in the desert or the not? You're not in the desert, are you, Paige?
Where's your child? My child disappeared.
Paige, you're not in the desert, are you?
I'm in Savannah. My child! Where's my child? What's the noise? What?
I thought you accidentally meant Sahara. If you see someone called Alpha, you know who it is.
Why is my child already?
Did I join the game?
I don't know, right now I'm just home.
Why can I not join your game? Like that's...
What happened?
What did happen?
My
Paige?
child.
Paige,
is
go on to
dead.
Monster Field.
Okay.
Sorry that we can't get to each other, guys. It's just stupid.
It was a dog, I swear. Dino. Meow. And
Wow, I just joined and I'm already being eaten alive.
oh my god. Bye. Bye.
Oh, you're actually on the game.
Bye. I'm gonna die. My child has disappeared.
Yeah, I know, because why would they bring a child to this? Like, come on, Paige. Now I know my child is my sister. My sister wanted me to marry her on the game so she could get a baby gorilla. Because she wanted a baby gorilla. And I just said, okay.
You're toxic, I'm slipping on the taste of your blood.
Do you remember when I showed you that little wolf thing where you teleport to each other? You should probably use that, Paige.
Hey, how are you today?
Good, you?
Fine. Can you help me defeat this
Oh, relax, Paige. Paige, it's not like once you die, you just disappear. You'll come back.
Oh, I hate you're so ugly. That's like my dad.
Wow, it killed me in one shot.
No, I'm gonna head this way.
My arms are broken and they're really, really long.
Yeah. I've left you. I'm the worst wife ever.
As in, like, left the game.
Not left the game, but I've left you to go.
Well, thank you so much. You
How
know,
did it get me?
it won't let me delete the baby because I don't want a baby fox. It is error. It won't let me delete you. Not delete you, but delete the baby.
You want to go with my child?
Relax, you get a baby gorilla and I just get whatever I want.
I want a fox though. What did I have to get the gorilla? That's my question.
You wanted the gorilla. Do you know what, I can't.
Oh,
I
no,
don't
no,
even
no,
care.
no,
There he is, guys. The toxic.
He's chasing me!
God, you made the dog jump with that loud noise. He's about to one-shot me then, isn't he? Yeah. Every time I go towards him, he one-shots me. And now I'm in a camel's mouth.
See this goes.
Well, this is going well, isn't it?
I'm too scared to. Can we go to a different field, please?
I can't join you on anything else. Do you know what? Sure, you ready to click Amazon in 3?
2, 1.
Alright, boom.
You still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Hi YouTube! Subscribe to my channel! It's the worst channel ever and I'm going to start making it cringy. And that's
Boom! Paige, you're on.
my child! Thank you.
I'll be your bodyguard, yeah?
I'm just going to kiss my child.
You can't
Mama,
kiss in
stop
this game.
kissing me.
Are you trying to speak for your child?
Oh my god,
I'm killing a camel. A camel called Rosa. Oh, never mind, the camel's running.
Come on, sweetie. We're going for a walk. Oh, we're going for a jog more like. Hey! Come on.
I think Rosa's just letting me kill her.
Let me Congo again. Oh my god, Congo's baby.
I brought some food for you. Paige, I have some food for you.
Where are you? GP to me.
I can't because I'm not a fox. I can. It's because we were on the same team when we're fighting a giant monster. But now I'm actually on a different team, and if I wanted to, I could kill you. By any chance of a bunch of teammates spawn near you?
We're just dancing.
Can you like come towards the There's a buffalo trying to kill me. I tried to bring you
I see
food,
you.
but I was gonna bring you food, but you know. Why are you fighting it? You'll die. I'll save you. Oh, he just left. No, leave him, Paige. Run. He's leaving us. Just run. Paige, you ain't gonna kill that. That's like 10 times bigger than you. If you really want food that bad, kill me.
Oh, look at this! I want it.
You wanted the baby monkey, and you got the baby monkey.
Hey guys, this is not real life. Oh, hello.
I would hope not. Oh my god, I'm on like the lowest health possible without actually dying.
Eat.
Your friend killed me. You might as well eat my dead body.
Eat.
Just eat my dead body, Paige. Be a-
Actually, Mel.
Well, then I'll kill him. The wolf is attacking one of your fox friends. I'm still killing the wolf. Alright, I'm coming towards you.
I'm dead. Someone called Mango!
That was your old YouTube channel.
Mango the killer.
I had a massive lag spike for a second. Yeah, I just lagged loads for some reason. I'm going towards you. You on top of the hill by any chance? Oh no, that's not you, that's a pineapple. Don't ask why I thought you were a pineapple.
I'm not a pineapple.
Yeah, I see you. Yeah, hi Paige, I'm above you. Here's a wolf, eat it.
How do I eat?
You walk up to it. It looks like you're eating the pineapple. Well, I just died.
Oh, fine.
Some people are evil.
My head's out your butt.
Wait, what? That just sounded odd. Please say I'm not still being attacked. No. Hi, how are you?
Let's run. Oh, wait, come.
He thinks I'm a weirdo, so he left me alone because I started punching the air. Let me eat my pineapples in peace. If you're next to me, I can't eat my pineapples. He's looking at me funny. I'm getting attacked by a zombie dog. Oh, Paige, I forgot to tell you. Paige, if you're behind someone...
No.
Paige, if you're behind someone that's bigger than you and you hold the attack button, you can grab onto the side of them. I'd show you, but you know, I'm kind of in the middle of dying.
I almost defeated the wolf and it ran off. I'm just walking to apples.
If I find you again, I'll show you what I mean by you can grab onto the back of me and do loads of damage while hanging on me.
Oh! I'm dead. Attack me separately. Am I? Legit. At some point you have to pause the video, yeah.
Why would I pause the video?
Well, not pause, you have to stop it because you're full of storage and you won't be able to put it on YouTube and blah 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 blah.
All I am doing...
Help me! Augie, no!
Paige, it's only been 12 minutes. Right, my sister seems to want to end the video.
No,
so
I actually died.
Alright guys, see you later. Have a good one.
Hey, subscribe!
Oh, really, Paige. See you later guys, bye.